successful, app creation still feels out of reach. Traditional app development often requires coding skills, technical knowledge, or hiring developers, which creates high barriers for beginners. As a result, many potential app creators never get started, even though the app market remains full of opportunities. At the same time, no-code tools have opened new possibilities, allowing everyday users to build functional apps without writing code. However, having access to tools alone is not enough. Many beginners struggle with knowing what type of app to build, how to get approved on app stores, or how to turn an app into a real income source. Meelo App Empire enters this space as a structured training solution that bridges that gap. Instead of focusing on technical complexity, it aims to guide users through the app business process in a practical and accessible way, from idea to launch and beyond. What is Meelo App Empire? Meelo App Empire is a step-by-step training system that teaches users how to create, publish, and monetize mobile apps without any coding skills, hiring developers or learning programming. The system uses a no-code approach, guiding users through the entire process, from choosing app ideas and building functional apps to submitting them to the App Store and setting up monetization. Instead of theory, the training focuses on practical execution with a clear, repeatable framework. Demetris Papadopoulos, widely known as Papa, is the creator behind Meelo App Empire. He is an experienced digital marketer and product creator with a strong background in building online businesses and developing practical systems for traffic generation and monetization. Over the years, Papa has launched multiple digital products across different online income models, covering areas such as paid advertising, automation, AI-powered tools, and scalable business frameworks. His work focuses on simplifying complex processes and turning them into step-by-step systems that beginners can follow. Some of his previous projects include Traffic Wave Generator, Cryptogram Profits, Meme Coins Cracked, KDPI Cracked, Spectra, NFTs Cracked, Tubematic, Pinbank, Liquid Crypto Gold, Bink Bang Profits Reloaded, Royalty Profits I, and several others, reflecting his long-standing involvement in the digital marketing space. Considering the features benefits of Meelo App Empire, here is everything you get inside. 14 full video training modules learn the entire process from an absolute beginner to launching a published app. Module 1, New Income Source Unlocked. This module introduces the overall journey inside Meelo App Empire. It breaks down the mobile app income opportunity in 2026. Explains why apps can work as both a side hustle and a full-time business, and sets realistic expectations around income potential. You'll also see a clearer roadmap showing how to move toward your first profitable app. This module covers, your journey starts here. Understanding the app income opportunity in 2026, why apps are the perfect side hustle or full-time business. Real income potential. What's actually possible? The roadmap to your first profitable app. Module 2, Real Proof of Results Instead of Theory. This module focuses on real-world proof. You'll see actual apps published on the App Store, detailed case studies, revenue screenshots, and download metrics. It also explains what works and what doesn't based on current market conditions, giving you real examples you can model. This module covers proof of results from real apps in the App Store, case studies of successful apps built with this system, revenue screenshots and download metrics, what works, and what isn't. In 2026, real-world examples you can model. Module 3, Foundation and Mindset Before Building Anything. This module helps establish the right foundation and mindset. It teaches you how to think like an app entrepreneur rather than a developer, explains how the Apple App Store ecosystem works, and shows how to identify profitable app niches without guessing. You'll also learn the types of apps that consistently make money and how to avoid common beginner mistakes. This module covers foundation and mindset before you start your journey. The App Empire mindset: think like an entrepreneur, not a developer. Understanding the Apple App Store ecosystem in 2026, how to identify profitable app niches without guessing, types of apps that make money consistently, common mistakes beginners make, and how to avoid them. Module 4, The platform revealed complete mastery. This module reveals the exact no-code platform used to create apps. You're guided through a complete walkthrough of the tool, even if you've never built an app before. It covers interface navigation, setup of the development environment, best practices for building stable apps, and advanced techniques that help your apps look more professional. This module covers, revealed, the exact platform Papa used to create apps without coding. Complete walkthrough of the tool, even if you've never built anything, understanding the interface and capabilities, setting up your development environment correctly, best practices for building stable, professional apps, advanced techniques that separate amateurs from pros. Module 5, building your first app. Here, you build a complete app from scratch, step by step. The module covers user interface design, adding features that increase perceived value, testing for bugs, and optimizing performance and user experience so your app is ready for real users. This module covers, step by step, a complete app from scratch, designing user interfaces people actually want to use, adding features that increase perceived value, testing your app for bugs and issues, optimizing for performance and user experience. Module 6, App Store Submission Mastery. This module walks you through the entire App Store submission process. It includes a step-by-step guide to creating your Apple developer account, understanding Apple's guidelines to avoid rejection, and submitting your app correctly. You'll also learn what to do if your app gets rejected and how to fix issues quickly. You will go through creating your Apple developer account step-by-step, complete Apple developer account application guide, understanding Apple's App Store guidelines, avoid rejection, the submission process revealed, every single step documented, what to do if your app gets rejected, and how to fix it fast. Module 7, the 3-step process to App Store deployment. This module introduces a proven 3-step deployment process designed to save time and reduce mistakes. It covers common deployment pitfalls, quality assurance checklists before submission, and strategies to fast-track approval. You will go through the proven 3-step process for getting your app live, streamlined workflow that saves hours of time, common deployment pitfalls and how to avoid them, quality assurance checklist before submission, fast-track approval strategies. Module 8, creating your App Store listing. This module focuses on optimization and conversions. You'll learn how to create effective App Store listings, design screenshots that turn visitors into downloaders, write compelling app descriptions, choose the right keywords, create standout icons, and complete all required metadata. This module teaches you how to create the best listing to get published on the App Store. App Store screenshots that convert browsers to downloaders, writing compelling app descriptions that sell, choosing the right keywords for maximum visibility, creating app icons that stand out, all required information and metadata explained. Module 9, creating your website instant funnel beyond the App Store. This module shows how to create an instant website funnel for your app. It includes professional landing page templates, methods to convert visitors into app downloads, email capture strategies, and ways to drive traffic to your funnel. This module teaches you the simple method to instantly create a funnel for your app. Professional landing page templates included converting website visitors into app downloads, email capture strategies that work driving traffic to your app funnel. Module 10, finalizing your App Store listing. This module covers the final steps before launch. You'll go through quality checks, version management best practices, app update and maintenance strategies, and learn how to monitor performance after your app goes live. The recap of this training module, finalizing your latest version of your app to the App Store, final quality checks before going live, version management best practices, app updates and maintenance strategy, monitoring your app's performance post-launch. Module 11, running ads to app buyers. This module explains how to promote apps using budget-friendly advertising methods. It covers audience targeting, cost-effective ad strategies, scaling campaigns as revenue grows, and measuring ROI to improve results. The recap of this training module, budget-friendly advertising method for app promotion, how to run ads to app buyers without breaking the bank, targeting the right audience for maximum downloads, cost-effective ad strategies that actually work, scaling your ad campaigns as revenue grows, measuring ROI and optimizing for better results. Module 12, Monetization strategies. This module breaks down the 5 main ways to monetize apps in 2026. You'll learn about in-app purchases, advertising integration, subscription models, one-time purchases versus freemium apps, and how to maximize revenue per user. The recap of this training module: the 5 main ways to monetize your apps in 2026. In-app purchases, what works and what doesn't. Advertising integration, without annoying users. Subscription models that generate recurring revenue. One-time purchase versus freemium, which is right for your app. Maximizing your revenue per user. Module 13, marketing growth. Focused on long-term growth, this module covers App Store optimization, also social media strategies, pre-launch buzz creation, press coverage, user reviews, community building, and strategies to increase the chances of being featured by Apple. The recap of this training module: App Store optimization, also getting found in a crowded marketplace, leveraging social media to drive downloads, creating buzz before your app launches, getting press coverage and reviews, building a community around your app, strategies for getting your app featured by Apple. Module 14, scaling your app empire. The final module shifts towards scaling. It shows how to manage multiple apps efficiently, use outsourcing and automation, know when to hire help, turn a successful app into a series, diversify income through a portfolio approach, and build digital assets with long-term value. The recap of this training module: managing multiple apps efficiently, outsourcing and automation strategies, when and how to hire help, turning your successful app into a series, portfolio approach, diversifying your app income, long-term thinking, building assets that appreciate. Bonus module: Google Play Store expansion, why Android is a great alternative. One-time $25 fee versus Apple's $99 per year, adapting your iOS apps for Android, understanding Google Play Store requirements, complete Google Play console walkthrough, Google service key setup and configuration, maximizing revenue across both platforms, platform-specific optimization strategies, sale, platform options. It shows you exactly how to publish on both major platforms, Apple and Android, so you can choose the best option for your app or target audience. Apple App Store: you get a full submission guide explaining how to publish on the Apple App Store, along with important details about which countries and regions you can target. It covers eligibility for over 175 countries, so you'll know exactly where your app can be distributed. Google Play alternative: there's also a bonus module focused on Android app publishing. This means you're not restricted to iOS, so you can build and launch Android versions as well, giving you broader reach. Choose your platform. In simple terms, whether you want your app on iOS, Android, or both, the training covers the process and requirements for each platform. It gives you the flexibility to pick the one that suits your goals or publish across both for maximum exposure. Lifetime update support. Meelo App Empire includes lifetime access to updates and ongoing support, ensuring the training stays relevant as App Store policies, tools, and market conditions evolve. This allows users to keep learning and adapting their apps without paying additional upgrade fees. 30-day money-back guarantee. The program is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving users time to explore the training and evaluate whether it fits their goals. If it doesn't meet expectations, users can request a full refund within the guarantee period, making it a low-risk option to try. Thank you.